these are the ingredients needed. Leftover rice that you can reuse, milk and vanilla, milk again with starch and sugar. First add the rice to a pot and then add the milk and vanilla to the mixture and let it boil for 15 minutes. Make sure if your rice is clumpy like this to declump it into smaller parts. And yes, boil this for 15 minutes. So after letting it boil for 10 minutes, don't do 15 because you'll have to add starch and milk and the sugar. Now you'll have to add the starch to the milk if it wants to. Then you'll have to mix it. So after mixing it, we will have to get the spoon out and pour it into, while mixing, of course, don't forget to mix. I advise to get help from a parent since it's really hard to stir and put the mixture inside the pot. And then stir a little bit more and then add the sugar. And then you need to stir some more. If it is and then stir it for 5 minutes and then boil it for 5 minutes. So it has officially started to boil, and now you will take it off of the stove and then put it in that cup we have. It looks good. Make sure to put the bits into the cup as well. Don't leave too much in there. And after that, this is optional. This is not required. Add a little. And after that, add a little bit of cinnamon on top. And bon appetit, it looks delicious. It's quite hot.